We're just gonna look for a match, and that's all we're gonna do today. Where the hell are we going? Hideout. Dealership. Hideout. Did he just fart? Did someone just fart in the game chat? I must be fucking hearing things then. Oh my gosh. Alright. Knife, sniper, pistol. Let's do this.
Charlie secured.
Oh, it's below me. I thought it was above. Oh! Never mind.
Losing B. We lost B.
What? Nigga, what do you mean? I just spawned!
We're losing Charlie.
Fuck this map.
Semtex front.
Taking Alpha.
Watch my six.
Taking B. Securing Charlie. Bravo zone secure. Taking A. Losing Bravo. Taking C.
Hi.
See you never, asshole.
Locking down Charlie. Control
Hostile
zone
moving.
C.
Did he really just ignore me?
Losing B.
Eyes on hostile Semtex.
You ignored me, so it's your fault.
Losing Bravo. Securing zone A.
Throwing flashbang.
Bravo locked.
Damn.
Bailey requesting UAV. Bailey authorizing UAV mission.
Oh, what?
Taking Bravo underway.
No.
Taking Alpha.
Talon shot charge.
Oh, hey, whatever. I got you with here. Hehe.
Securing B.
Taking that proper time off. Won't be good. Just like beats every year. For me, it's
No, no, ooh.
on a cigar thing a lot closer. Because I think I could win my class this year. Imagine I win Austin 5, and then it's him 1 and
Ooh.
2. I think he's trying to do nationals. Yeah, nationals.
Damn.
Cold? Nice.
Securing B. Net call. Sleeper agent detected.
Oh, why are you right there?
Taking Bravo underway.
Oh!
Clear.
Oh,
I think I have some. Yeah, I do.
Taking B.
No, that's all I want. Yeah, there we go. I'll care about increasing my
Enemy
range.
UAV inbound.
Bad guy,
Gun.
12
Bravo
o'clock.
is ours.
Shh, we go stuff mode.
We lost B. Taking Bravo underway.
oh, son of a gun.
Eyes on field
UAV
up
Where?
there.
established overhead.
No, there's somebody up here, that's for sure.
They're taking C. Taking
Oh, I should have slid.
Controlling Bravo.
No. Rare footage of me actually capturing the flag. What? Oh.
Securing B.
Oh! That wasn't that really pressing now I think about it.
B secured.
Standing by.
Give me eyes in the sky.
Oh. Alright, reloaded. Here we go.
Losing B.
Archangel ready for use.
Authorizing UAV.
Oh, he's right behind me.
Archangel is hot.
Hi there. Goodbye.
Losing Bravo.
Goodbye.
Kane requesting UAV.
UAV established overhead. Spring mine was disrupted.
Oh, my spring mine
TACOM.
disrupted?
Requesting recon overhead.
UAV shield check 50%.
TACOM. There's care package on my location.
UAV has been destroyed.
Taking A.
Oh, fuck. Oh, there's two of them, too. Ugh. You had more than one? Oh, wow.
Soundtrack operational.
Enemies have disarmed your spring mine.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Losing B. Securing Alpha.
What? What? I have to look back. Did I really miss that?
Main objective locked down. Hold the enemy back. Losing A.
Oh, never mind, he did. There's a guy camping around here somewhere.
Give me eyes in the sky. We're losing
You thought
Charlie.
this was over? Got contact.
Losing Bravo.
Excuse me?
Find them.
That was a body shot, too. I'm about to come through this way.
Losing B.
No, maybe not.
TACOM. Requesting recon overhead.
Bro.
Lost. Enemy UAV inbound.
Stonewalking care package LZ.
No, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Bailey requesting care package deployment.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Moving with ACAT. Concussion grenade out.
RCXD active.
I'm the knight. He really waited for me. He used his teammate as bait to lure me out.
Kane requesting CUAV.
Losing B. Securing Charlie.
Your ball. What?
Arming spring mine.
We've taken the lead. Stay on task.
Ah, shit. I took too long to zoom in.
Locking down Charlie.
Bye.
Losing
Nice
Bravo.
knowing you.
Taking C. Location secure. Maintain current posture. Then right
Goodbye.
where we
Make a habit
Take
out
a
of
Finish
seat
the
again?
job.
Nope.
We're losing Alpha.
Taking off.
They're taking C.
It's cute.
Go frag.
Tackle. Drop package on my beacon.
We lost C. Mission goals
Let's
agreed.
go.
Back to top survivors.
Good fight, Crimson. Mission success.
What did I go? 35 and 17 for sniper rifle, pistol, and a fucking knife. You kidding me? What did he do? That's it? 2 kills, 3 kills with a frag. And you call that play the game? Stop! Get the fuck out of here with that. This is fucking... I had a triple kill, quadruple. I'm pretty sure I had a triple kill for sniper rifle, and then I think I had knife kill. 2 after that. Oh fuck my number. But so you could get play the game with a bogus call, bogus kill like that. What the fuck? Or just up free in the store. What's free? Oh, sure. What am I gonna get? Free gift. Ah, yeah, 'cause that's what I wanted. Not. Oh, why the fuck my operator keep changing?
If you can't keep up, get out of my way.
Should I? Oh, never mind. Vault? Why are we on vault? I can't run around with a sniper on this map. The fuck am I supposed to do? Oh, wait, no, it's this map. Never mind. I thought it was the other map. My bad. I got my anime skin on.
Eliminate all
I'm
threats.
gonna snipe some people. It's the last thing I do. No, nobody comes. Man, I'm just trying to throw my tactical on the ground, and you gotta come around the corner like a pansy.
We got the
What you
lead.
fucking
Now
crawling
hold
for, you little bitch? Bruh. Why are you right there? Why? Ah, fuck you. The Russian doll. She's right there, laying on the ground. Shoot her. I saw your ass. Did you wipe your ass today? Did you?
Gotta move.
How about you? Did you? Oh, I didn't see him. Fucking this blunt man, freaking 420. Look at me, I got my 420 in my name. Congratulations. Would you like a cookie? You and my fucking Quincy Pooh over here, where the fuck your damn name is. Poke your head out. Fucking poke your head out. Did you just poke his head out? They just burned that bitch alive. And then when she running. She on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh! Motherfucker. Fuck you. Oh, I just kind of ran straight at him. No fucks given.
We're pulling ahead. Control.
Oh.
Identified enemy mine. They're cooked.
Oh, over here. Oh, you're behind me. I thought they were to my right.
Stun set.
You're concussion and you're gonna charge? I mean, A for bravery and all, but like, your concussion, I would just went prone.
Come on, you're losing this fight.
Watch, he's gonna back up here. Oh, oh! No? I thought, huh? No, no, really? I didn't get inside? Whatever. Stop.
Target confirmed.
Fuck you,
Asa.
damn smelly panda. Oh, lucky bastard. Come on, right there.
Indicating waypoint.
What? Really? A grenade launcher? Stop fucking Russian doll. I know it's not a Russian doll, I'm just calling it a Russian doll. Duh. Duh. Where is she?
UAV established above.
Fuck you. I got like one side of the map completely locked up. Or nobody can get over there easily. It's right there. From where?
Hostile UAV established overhead. Enemy UAV inbound.
Enemy Enemy with Semtex.
That was dead either way. Show my drone. Huh, what do I care?
Kill.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Sending concussion.
The fuck's going on
I can look
out
at
there?
you, you little fucking damn
Tighten up
doll.
and show
Don't
some
worry.
spine.
You're not a doll. Hi. Remember me?
Damn it, they must have hacked
How does he
the
kill you through
No
me,
charge.
but you didn't die?
Up later.
Neutralized.
Oh, no wonder why my team lost. Fucking retarded. Whatever. How much time do I have left on this battle pass? 13 minutes. So I'll probably got about one more game left. Give me a good map. Like I want like a nice, decent, wide open map. Oh hell no, we ain't putting that on. Oh yes, fine. Holy crap, yes, that's gonna be a big help. Oh shit, I wanted to look at the laser real quick, but I guess not. Average captures extraction 1. Tells you how focused I am on capturing stuff in this game. But I really don't care. Hey, it's from one of my past
Remind
videos I
the
uploaded.
fugitives that actions
I
have
think.
consequences.
No, I didn't.
Securing Zone A.
Starting capture.
Controlling Bravo. Securing Alpha. Zone Alpha captured. Bravo zone secure. Claim the advantage. Now hold it.
Can I snipe? It's not bad.
Losing B.
Hill, moving
Bro,
up. Taking a shot.
Securing C. Securing Charlie.
I don't want to be here.
All
We can run for it.
secured. Hold your positions. Losing Bravo.
I'm reloading, so fuck you.
Losing B. They're taking all zones.
Watch your target, I think, punk.
We lost Charlie.
Taking the objective. Watch my step.
Kill him. I have sniper. What do you want me to do?
Zone Charlie locked down. Losing Bravo.
Frag!
Losing B.
Goodbye.
Securing Zone A. We lost B. Securing B. Net call, napalm strike, inbound. Secured.
Close the door. He's after my ass. He wants me. He's like, fuck the point. He's right there. Damn, I'm trying to finish him off.
We lost C.
Alright, I'll reload. Alright, that's reloaded.
Hostile
My
LDVR
pistol.
drop detected.
There we go.
Bringing in recon.
Zone
Launch that.
UAV in the turn. Have
This
eyes
now
on.
as well.
losing Bravo.
UAV NCL 50%. Check.
Bravo lost.
Hi. Goodbye. What? What?
Flying on view. UAV
Your Squishmallow, I ordered one,
Taking B.
but the guy hasn't shipped it yet. Yeah. Yes. I bought it, but they haven't
Bravo's
shipped it.
ours.
I messaged. You said 1 to 2, so I got you that, and I got you the. Just be happy with what you get.
They're taking C. Taking A.
Fucking looked right at him too. I stared at him. He stared at me. We both nodded, and he shot me. That's how the conversation went. I'm a snake.
Taking Alpha.
I'm a slither snake.
Spring mine down.
I think the one guy noticed that there was a spring mine there. He's like, nah, bro, you go ahead and go up there. Shh. Sometimes to kill someone, you must be very stealthy. There are times they could just fucking come around the corner and shoot you when you're just trying to crawl over there. Damn. Really? Yeah, I think he figured I was gonna do that. There's no really no other option to get him. I could have ran out, but he could have shot me from behind.
Securing Alpha.
Well, that's kind of really the only option I had. There aren't any hackers on this side. What are you talking about? Just called our team is better than yours. You guys aren't really capturing the objective either. Like that's
Securing Zone A.
Oh,
Taking A.
if I get called for, if he calls me a hacker or reports me, I'm gonna be pissed.
Incoming.
Wait, what? I should not be alive. I should be dead. You guys see this, right? I'm fucking. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say I'm Frank Woods. I can't die, but never mind. The bastard came around the corner. It's like, okay, this guy's gonna fucking die at some point. I should not been alive that long. A sniper. Snipers are very fragile. Fuck, suck.
Securing Zone A.
Door's wide open. Jeez. Alright, let's see if I can't snipe anybody. Why can't I get the... Really? Did I just catch myself? No, almost did.
We're ahead, but stay alert.
I know you're up
People are
there.
no
I'm
fools.
down.
Sending stun.
Oh, it's another? Really? Oh. Kind of just bullied their entire team to a corner. They get by
They
it.
never stood a chance. Proceed to extract them.
Mop them up and move out, people.
GG's.
They're down.
If they're considering that hacking, when he literally just splits the corner and spray them immediately, it's common in COD for people to be sitting around a corner. If you think like, oh, he's hacking because he's sitting in the corner, then you've obviously not played COD long enough. You probably just, as soon as you die, you're like, oh, fuck this, he's hacking. Like, bro, like, come on. Grow a fucking pair of balls. Everybody dies in the game. Nobody's gonna go freaking. Well, I mean, there's some people out there who are, like, I mean, unless movement demons in the fucking game and he's just destroying everybody. How do I turn my phone off in sleep mode? Oh, there we go. Damn iPhones, I can never figure them out. Low town, eh? Wait, why is it showing like was it me or did my Xbox show PC controls? I'm not using PC controls to play. Saying that right now. I have a controller in my hand. So Low town. What map is this? Wait, is this a skate park map? It's a
Team deathmatch. Engagement windows open. Go, go, go!
Oh damn, never mind. Oh, never mind. There's freaking. I thought there was only one. I thought he was dead already. Did not know there was two others in there with him.
hostiles reclaimed the lead.
This is my perimeter. This is where I make my stand. Fucking hell, I cannot hit a shot to save my life today for some reason. I can't even get a knife kill, I can't hit my shots, I'm getting my phone is blowing up right now. So, why? No, I'm not using a keyboard and mouse. I refuse to. Oh, that's right, I had it hooked up for Minecraft.
See you never, asshole.
Did you see something? Yep. Wow, congratulations, you're a sweaty of a PPSH. Do, 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 do. Yo, bro, who the fuck these people got their TV so damn loud for? Like, y'all do realize you play with other people, right? When you do multiplayer? Oh, sorry about that. Okay, I want to know how he got past my mine. Oh, I didn't even hear it blow up. You're just gonna look at him. Okay, just want to make sure. I'm not doing well either, but what? Stop activating. Yeah, see, my mouse doesn't even work. If I was using PC controls. Let's try this. Let's try and see if I can't get a kill like this.
Established above. Hostile UAV established overhead.
One thing's for sure is they're having a hard time just shooting at me straight from back and forth. All right. Yo, where the fuck do y'all come from?
Enemy UAV inbound.
You're really camping right there? I thought COD,
Enemy CUAV
especially
inbound.
when they released Black Ops 3, that there will be no more campers. Oh shit. Everybody's fucking camping still in this game.
Eyes on field upgrade.
You're using a sniper rifle when you're camping?
Hostile
Fine.
package inbound.
However, laying prone with an LMG, just sitting there waiting is, bro.
Target appears hostile.
can't hit shots today for some reason. Like, did I have to get into the most sweatiest lobby right now? I'm not even concerned about winning. I don't give a shit about winning a game. I just try to level up my gun. But in order for me to level up the gun, I need to get kills. And of course, he's right there.
Enemy napalm strike incoming. Hostile UAV established overhead. We have reports of an infiltrator. Watch your back.
It would have been nice if you could announce that there was someone in our ranks. Oh, fuck you. My phone is blowing up. Hold on, sorry. I bet you $5 he was so happy and proud. He's like, yeah, look at that. I got all those kills and whatnot. Just to get fucking headshotted. And he just got freaking knife to the head. Is this a microphone stand? Yeah, look at that. You got old base plate right there. You got boom. You got a mic clip on there. It looks like a wireless mic clip right there. You can use for like a either a Sennheiser or a Shure. Oh, never mind. Look at this pallet jack. It's probably good for about 2 tons. You got bananas right here. You got tomatoes. You got what is it, beans. Can you all shut up? I hear you. Really? Now we're shooting bodies now? Wow, congratulations. It's a game. Nobody gives a shit. I'm just gonna. Oh, there. That should stop it. And actually, since that expired, this is gonna be a short stream anyway. I'm gonna end the stream here. I know I'm kind of a little short. You can go check out my YouTube channel. The link will be in my Twitch account. Twitch profile, so go check out YouTube. There's a couple videos I just uploaded today, and there's gonna be a couple more tomorrow. And I'll probably get some time over the weekend. I'm gonna edit some more and get those uploaded as soon as I can. So there's gonna be a bunch more videos being uploaded very soon, and yeah, go check them out. If you don't see me, I won't be streaming this weekend. I'll be away till Monday. I'll be streaming again and recording stuff. between today and Sunday, I'm gonna start editing a lot of stuff, get it uploaded onto YouTube. I'm working on a Minecraft horror survival series that's coming to YouTube as well. I'm also streaming that when I can. Well, if I can and when I can, as long as everything is good and I got time to do that. So go check all that out on my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna get a Instagram account set up. Start posting stuff on there of like any updates of like, oh hey, you know, I won't be streaming this weekend. I'll be away for work reasons or other stuff like that. That way you guys are kept in the loop. Also, I'll be setting up a Discord server very soon. I gotta get that all situated. I might have to ask a couple friends to be some admins in there when I can't really look at the Discord all the time and other shit, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. But again, follow me on Twitch. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe. And I'll see you guys either next week or yeah, probably next week. I'm gonna be on it all this weekend streaming. So see you guys next week.